Customers want smart solutions without chaos on the job site. The demand for intelligent building automation is growing rapidly. People want a system that simplifies their lives in the background and is easy to use. Loxone delivers exactly that, not only for your customers, but for you as well. Loxone is the complete solution for any building, whether it's a new build or a retrofit for residential or commercial projects. Loxone lets you integrate lighting, shading, access, climate, security, audio, and energy management in one system. That means less complexity, fewer errors, and greater efficiency, especially in larger projects where different systems would otherwise need to be painstakingly integrated. With one solution, you can cover a wide range of needs and tap into new business opportunities. So, why leave the business to someone else? Wired with tree or wireless with air. Installation is fast and efficient. Most maintenance and service tasks can be handled remotely. Configuration is done via the free Loxone Config software. With built-in planning tools and auto config, much of the setup is automated, saving you time and effort, especially for recurring tasks. Once your project is set up in Loxone Config, the visualization for your customers is ready to go, with no extra steps, no additional costs. And customers enjoy intuitive control via the Loxone Touch or the Loxone app. And for our partners, no extra software, no complex licensing required. Once you've learned the system, the entire world of building automation is at your fingertips. Need to integrate third-party systems? No problem. Thanks to open interfaces, you can connect countless other technologies, including Modbus, DALI, KNX, RS-485, OneWire, and more. And you're never on your own. You'll have a dedicated partner coach by your side, helping you tackle challenges and supporting you throughout your first projects. We know your first Loxone install is a big step, and we'll make sure it becomes a success story. Our training is hands-on, not just theory. From foundation training to expert workshops, everything is focused on real-world application. No boring lectures, just practical knowledge from the manufacturer. As a Loxone partner, you benefit from a tiered discount system based on your partner status, silver, gold, or platinum. You'll also receive exclusive benefits for training, showroom equipment, and partner-only promotions. Plus, you get access to a wide range of free modern marketing tools to help you win over your customers. Becoming a partner is easy. Just register online. We'll check your business license, and that's it. There are no exclusivity clauses, no long-term commitments. You stay flexible while working with a system that's designed for long-term success. Ready to get started? Now is the perfect time to become a Loxone partner and dive into the world of smart building automation. Just click the link in the description box or book a personal meeting with one of our experts. We look forward to working with you soon.